To fix the problem where a camera randomly opens on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to find most of the shortcuts that may cause this open your camera randomly. First one, let's go inside the settings, and then we need to look for the wallpaper and style. Here select your lock screen on the left side of the tab, and then in those shortcuts in the bottom left and bottom right corner, you can make sure that camera is removed, so you can go for no app, for example. Click on done, and that is the first thing that may cause your camera to randomly open. Another thing is, if you scroll down, you can find advanced features, and then there's a side button. In the side button you can find double press power button to enable camera, and this may also cause your camera to open randomly, which I would suggest to disable in that case. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.